Hi Howard, hi T. This is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. Just wanted to send you guys a quick video showing you a few things you could do to improve your ranking, and also just to run over the average cost per click for some certain keywords. So the three things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. We see that all you basically have are photos. So what I would do is just add all these photos into its own tab right here as a gallery, and then go ahead and do 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we are searching for Signs Atlanta, the first thing we're going to see is the paid ads. The next is the map pack. And under that is the organic section. So how you rank in the map pack would be through citations, and citations is basically just your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. If you don't have a Google My Business listing, we'll definitely need to get you one made. And when I've looked up the number of citations for local companies, I've yet to see anyone go over 100. So what I would do is just add 350 just to beat out your competition by a landslide. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks, and that is how we rank in the organic section. And this is ultimately where you want to be because this gets the most traffic. A backlink, simply put, is just site A pointing to site B. So if you had a sign company or a t-shirt company in California linking back to your website, that would be a backlink. The tool I like to use to check that out is called Ahrefs. Let me get back to the overview. So looking at Signs Atlanta, we see they have 19 referring domains, pushing 506 backlinks to them. Checking out Fast Signs, we see they have 21 referring domains, pushing over 10,000 backlinks to them. And when we're checking out the t-shirt companies, we see it's all custom. They have 56 referring domains with 138 backlinks. And let me get back to this overview. So we see that Custom Inc. only has 2 referring domains with 2 backlinks. So that is all very beatable with time. I did go ahead and plug your URL into this tool just to check you out. We see that you don't have any referring domains and no backlinks, so we'll definitely need to get that fixed for you. So just to recap, I would go ahead and move all these photos to a gallery page. And also one more thing I didn't talk about is when you go to Save Image As, Google doesn't know that there's a photo on your page, so they just read the content behind the photo. And we see this one says photo-September-26-3. So what you'll want to do is get that saved as a keyword. So all of your photos need to be saved as keywords. Okay, back to the recap. 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page, and then your service pages can be, decals, wraps, t-shirts, all that, and then have a gallery page. And we can also rank that t-shirt page as a back page so you can be found for t-shirts as well. The next thing was citations. You want to go ahead and get a Google My Business listing. If you don't have one, get your name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. I suggest 350 just to beat out your competition by a landslide. And the last thing was to get relevant, powerful backlinks pointing back to your website to help you rank in the organic section. That is the 3 things for the ranking factors. And just to touch on the cost per click for keywords. So when we're looking at the keywords, we see Atlanta signage. There's 250 searches a month, as low as 15 cents per click. Signs Atlanta, 70 searches, $3 per click. So cost per click just varies, anywhere from 15 cents on up to, I think the highest is $7. So we'll just need to figure out your budget. And also for the t-shirts, we see that custom t-shirts Atlanta, 200 searches, $4.50 per click. This is custom t-shirts just with a space. That's 300 searches, $4.50 per click. Atlanta T-shirt company as low as $1.70 per click. Atlanta T-shirts 90 cents per click. So yeah, just to wrap it up, that will be just an average for clicks. We'll need to figure out your budget so we can get our numbers worked out. But if you have any questions, feel free to just reply back to this email or give me a call. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.